Are you in need of auto repair, or do you just want to make sure your car is running right? Then turn
I have this 2013 Chevy Cruiser. No, Chevy Cruise. Not Cruiser. Cruise. We have this Chevy Cruiser again. This Chevy Cruise 2013 Chevrolet Cruise 1.4 turbo. See, on this car, sometimes it starts, sometimes not. Sometimes it just clicks, but right now it's starting. See right there, sometimes it sometimes it starts, sometimes just clicks, and that's the starter. That it doesn't work sometimes. We need to replace that starter. But another thing, this car, he said sometimes when the engine is running and it's hot,
Are you in need of auto
or the
repair?
engine is
or do you
on
just
or
want to make
normal
sure your car is
temperature,
running right? Then turn to
the
Gabriel
AC
Auto in
stops.
Laguna Heights. Turn to Gabriel for complete auto repairs and full service.
And
They are AC certified and in full
he said it
computerized
shows up
diagnostics. They'll service your heating and AC, fan belts,
message
brakes, including ABS, oil
that it
changes,
says
and
the
tune-ups.
temperature or
It's
something.
Gabriel Auto Technician at 413 Highway 100 in
and
Laguna
the
Heights.
AC quits
Open Monday through
working.
Saturday. Turn to the
So we need to
technician,
check
Gabriel
that,
Auto
and I put the
Technician.
scanner ready
Auto Technician
here.
in Laguna
I
Heights.
show you the codes. Chevy Cruiser a veces prende, a veces no prende, a veces nada más hace un sonido allá enfrente, hace un clic. Ahorita está prendiendo. Vamos a ver, de repente no prendió hace rato. Ya, right now it's cranking. Ahorita está prendiendo. Sí, ahorita está prendiendo. Entonces vamos a cambiar la marcha. We need to change the starter. And the other thing on the AC, we have the scanner here, and this is the code P0128. Engine coolant temperature below thermostat regulating temperature. See, what happens on this car, the thermostat stuck open because the seal, rubber seal goes bad, so it get damaged. So we need to replace the thermostat. Vamos a reemplazar el termostato aquí también porque nos está marcando y dice el dueño que cuando va corriendo en la carretera que a veces el aire se le apaga, ya no prende, y le marca un mensaje, no sé dónde, yo creo que aquí le marca un mensaje que la temperatura algo le está enseñando. Tenemos este código, y lo que pasa en estos carros que el termostato se daña. El termostato se daña y lleva hule, un sello de hule en medio, se daña, entonces se queda como si estuviera abierto el termostato. Entonces pues no regula la temperatura. Es lo que está ahorita aquí enseñando esta P0128, el código. So, vamos a ver en el troubleshooting qué nos dice aquí de este código, ¿ok? Tiene otros códigos también, pero esos son del asiento, de otras cosas que no vamos a checar. No marca nada en el AC, en el HVAC, no marca ni un código. Aquí, en el AC no marca ni un código. En el aire acondicionado no marca ni un código, solo el termostato, ¿verdad? Pero eso interfiere en estos carros, igual en el HHR, muchos carros que traen este tipo de motor, interfiere el termostato. Si no está bien el termostato, el aire acondicionado no va a funcionar. ¿Sí? That happens on these kind of cars, on the HHRs too. All the cars with this kind of engine 1.4. Sometimes if the thermostat is not regulating the temperature, the AC is not going to work. ¿Sí? So vamos a checar aquí esto, P0128. Okay, we have here the codes. Vamos a ver el troubleshooting. We have here the troubleshooting for that code. P0128, engine coolant temperature below thermostat regulating temperature. Circuit system description. The engine control module monitors the temperature of the engine coolant for the engine control and enabling criteria for some diagnostics. The amount of airflow or flow into an engine is proportional to the amount of heat an engine generates. The ECM monitors the amount of air flow into engine to calculate engine coolant temperature, ECT. The ECM uses the calculator temperature to determine if the conditions for running the DTC. They start the engine off. Time is greater than 20 minutes. The startup ECT sensor is between 0 70. Okay. Commanded thermostat heater during cycle is dead at 20%. Engine runtime between 30 seconds and 38. The ECM determines that the modeled ECT has met the calibrated target of 75 degrees Celsius or 174 Fahrenheit. And the measured ECT less than 53 and the startup ambient temperature is between 10 and is ready for 1 second. The ECM determines that the modified, okay, that calibrated target of 59 degrees Celsius and the measured ECT is less than 30. It starts ambient temperature between minus 7 or 10 degrees. Okay. Okay. P0128 current with insufficient vehicle interior heating is an indication of improper thermostat operation. ¿Sí? Si no tiene suficiente calor aquí adentro en el carro cuando hace frío, ¿verdad? Puede ser que el termostato pues está constantemente abierto. So, el hule que tiene adentro se rompió. The rubber that have that seals help to seal the thermostat, or the thermostat is wide open. See, corrosion, the ECT sensor terminals or the ECT harness connector results in a rated voltage on the ECT sensor signal circuit, which is interpreted by the ECM as a colder ECT. The ECT is in the engine coolant temperature sensor. Este ECT es el sensor de la temperatura. A slight to moderate resistance in ECT signal sensor reference circuit will affect these diagnostics. This condition results in rated voltage on the ECT sensor signal circuit, which interpreted by the ECM as a colder ECT. So right here we have the engine coolant temperature sensor and the intake temperature sensor. See? Okay. Okay. It's not responding. Okay. Right there. Something's wrong with this scanner. So let's check. See, because right now we have 132 degrees on this engine.
Are you in need of auto repair, or do you just want to make sure your car is running right? Then turn to the technician, Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights. Turn to Gabriel for complete auto repairs and full service maintenance. They are AC certified and in full computerized diagnostics. They will service your heating and AC, fan belts, timing belts, brakes,
This is not responding.
oil changes, and tune-ups. It's Gabriel Auto Technician at 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights. Open Monday through Saturday. Turn to the technician, Gabriel Auto Technician. Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.
I have this car running for a while already, and right now it's only 138 degrees. So it's supposed to have more than that. It's supposed to be like at least 180 degrees, at least 190. See, I got it running for a while, and it's still cold. So that means that we have a thermostat open. See, watch out! Watch out! Okay, so see, this one is hot already. This hose and this one. Oh, I'm checking the thermostat. This one is a little bit cold, but vamos a reemplazar la marcha. Let's replace the starter and let's replace that thermostat. It comes together with the housing. See? Okay, see, it doesn't reach the normal temperature. It's 165. Imagine when it's real cold, it never gets hot. Well, like normal temperature. Thermostat is so important. See, it's so important on the cars. Doesn't matter if the if the weather is hot or it's cold, especially when it's cold. But if it's hot, it doesn't matter if it's hot. A lot of mechanics recommend to remove the thermostat. You're not supposed to do it. Sí, muchos mecánicos lo quitan y lo recomiendan quitárselo a los clientes porque hace mucho calor, ¿verdad? No tienen por qué quitar el termostato porque el termostato regula la temperatura y la computadora es la que regula, bueno, por medio de esa temperatura que el termostato sienta, el coolant temperature sensor sienta, el sensor de la temperatura sienta, entonces va a regular la mezcla de aire y gas, ¿sí? No se deben de quitar el termostato, no se debe de quitar el termostato en ningún clima, ¿sí? Si está muy caliente o está muy frío, pues menos, ¿verdad? Pero si está muy caliente, no, porque ay, que aquí siempre hace calor, no. So, let's remove the thermostat and the starter. Vamos a quitar la marcha y el termostato. Vamos a quitar primero la marcha y luego vamos a quitar el termostato porque pues, si no nos va a caer el agua, ¿verdad? Ok. All right. Let's do it.
Gabriel Auto Technician is 413 Open Monday through Saturday. Search your technician, Gabriel Auto Technician. Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.